Today I got in the mail from the American Red Cross my 11-gallon pen. That means I've donated 89 donations, or 89 pints. I think they call it donations now because of the double reds is not necessarily a pint. And since I got started, I don't remember when I got started, but it's since I've been in North Carolina. So I started donating blood after 1997, and I'm pretty much every 56 days or every 112 days if I do double reds. So do the math, every 112 days or every 56 days based on single red blood donations. Donor for life. I like that phrase. They consider me a donor for life. Again, the American Red Cross, I'm honored to have my 11-year pen, and I encourage any of you who want to help others in what I refer to as the simplest way possible for those of us who can donate blood. It's a great way to help others. Have a great day.